filling in whatever is going on.
Yep, I got it.
We got a full house. Each one of those provided a great deal of learning for me and the rest of the team. For the remaining 13 years, I have supported this competition as a member of the committee. Each year, in April and May, my excitement builds as competition approaches, and there's two main reasons. First, I continue to be amazed by the quality of the tractors, the collaboration of the teams, the passion of the participants, the engineering innovations, and the sportsmanship. The future is bright. Second, I look forward to seeing my very close friends. These are relationships that started and formed around this competition. Some of the people that converge on Peoria I see regularly, and for others, this might be the only time of the year we get a visit. And either way, those conversations pick back up like it was yesterday. If you are interested in joining the committee and giving back to this competition, please reach out to any of us on the committee, anybody that you saw on that great photo all weekend. As a student, I may have been exhausted after competition, but I had a head full of ideas and new areas to improve. Take that feedback from the judges and build on the momentum from this year. For those of you who are graduating, I wish you the best of luck. The experience and lessons learned will translate directly to your time in industry. Let me be the first to congratulate successes here are rewarding today, but the real payoff is how these experiences set you up for tomorrow. I was not on site for the durability event, but the live stream kept me a little bit up to date, and I suspect there were some good lessons learned on steering linkages, power transmission components, and robustness of those parts. I suspect you are ready to celebrate, and you should recognize the effort and commitment of you and your fellow competitors. It's been a long, grueling week, and you have earned the right to be self-congratulatory this evening. Everyone who participates in this competition is worthy of respect and admiration for the dedication required. We are here tonight to reward that dedication to your teammates, this competition, and your profession. At this time, I'd like to recognize the individuals who have worked hard throughout the past year to make this competition a success. The competition organizing committee stays active throughout the entire year. The committee members contribute an extraordinary amount of personal time to the planning and preparation of this event. We do try to build on past successes. Sponsors. This year, the chair of the 2024 organizing committee is Robert Barker. Robert, would you please stand and be recognized for the great leadership you provided throughout the year? Robert has done an exceptional job of leading this year's competition. Please remain standing as I introduce the committee members. Committee members, please stand as I call your name. And those in the audience, I know you like to clap, and I appreciate that greatly, but hold your applause until the entire committee has been introduced. The executive committee members of the 2024 Quarter Scale Competition Organizing Committee are First Vice Chair Josh Medeiros, Second Vice Chair John Andrick, Treasurer Jacob Schwinn, Secretary Jacob Luch, Rules Chair Curtis Thorson, Promotions Chair Nicholas Sandine, and Past Chair Jared Siblinski. And I'd like to recognize the remaining active committee members of the 2024 competition committee. Amanda Andrick, Jonah Bolin, Micah Bolin, Mike Ciolino, Stephen Corbin, Chance Coram, Tom Fredrickson, Alex Tate, Wyatt Hall, Keith Harmeyer, Zach Herzberg, Zeta Holland, Peter Horn, Brian Mooney, Ashley Johnson, Colin Kyle, Sean Landers, Ian Radke, Spencer Rosar, Derek Shagler, Tina Schultz, Gary Siebel, Adam Steen, Kent Thorson, Grant Wunderlich, and Dean Woodwall. We would also like to thank our on-site volunteers that helped us make this competition run smoothly. Jeff Zaglinski, John Holland, Bobby Radke, Keith Gearhart, Curtis Holland, and Will Rexroad. Let's also give a last, but certainly not least, let's give all the students, advisors, Without your Without your efforts, support, and participation, there would be no competition. And I didn't even have to ask you to sit down. That's great. I would like to invite Quarter Scale Committee past chair, Jared Sklinski, to the stage to lead us in the invocation.
All right. This is the last official act as a, I guess, board member, if you will, and I go back to a regular committee member. So, thank you, everyone. If you please choose to assume the position of reflection, if you would, please. Let us pray silently together, each one of us, according to our own individual beliefs. Let us offer thanks for for our food and the blessings of fellowship around us. Help us to be a source of hope for those in need in both our personal and professional lives. Let us give gratitude for the opportunity we have had this week to acquire and develop new knowledge, skills, and friendships. We ask each of us a safe return home and continue to be of good service to our families, schools, and employers and neighbors. Thank you.
Thank you, Jared. Okay, it's approaching dinner time. So please stay seated at your table until a member of the staff directs you to the buffet. Enjoy your meal.
It sounds it's good enough.
Dump the rest off there.
I would have to put my laptop up there unless I could put the ones that are going to be a flash. I do have
That's got everything on it, so you might want to make sure you copy the phone. I can go get you. Add anything to that phone. You basically dump most of the folder over. You don't have to look at much really heavy.
currently a systems engineer at Premier Corporation in Pella, Iowa. In his role in the Industrial Innovation Department. His team handles R&D controls for projects for the industrial line of machinery. Kent grew up on a row crop farm and beef cattle operation in southern Minnesota. He maintains his close agricultural ties by managing his own farm in the Pella area. Kent received his bachelor's degree in agricultural engineering from Iowa State in 2012. Anybody heard of that one? He has been involved with Quarter Scale either as a team member or a lead member since his undergraduate days in the games. Thank you for joining us this evening, Ken.
Tone it down. I would like to thank Michael for his kind introduction and to the Quarter Scale Committee for inviting me to serve as your MC. I'd also like to extend my thanks to the organizing committee for all they have done to make such a successful event. As a former Quarter Scaler, I have seen firsthand all the efforts, progress, and innovation applied to the competition. Let's give them another round of applause. I also want to say that was a fantastic meal. I want to thank McGill for cooking that. They were out there cooking on the patio before this. I don't know how they made all that food. This evening, it is my pleasure to welcome Maury Sauls as our keynote speaker. Maury retired in 2020 as President and Managing Director of Engineering for Klaus Omaha. In 2018 and 2019, he served as ASABE President and is now the incoming Foundation President starting this July. Maury's career journey included working for John Deere, Bell Helicopter, Case IH, and Klaus. He has worked with many engineering and technical experts on new product development and production projects over his 40-plus years. He has worked in international project groups for the majority of his career while he continues to help out on his Northwest Iowa family farm. He currently consults with entrepreneurs and small business owners via the SBA-affiliated SCORE organization and serves on several conservation boards, including the ASABE Circular Bioeconomy Systems Institute. This evening, we have asked Maury to share some insights about his career journey and give some advice that would be helpful for your careers. Please help me welcome Maury Sauls.
Good evening. I know I am in between you and your awards, so I'm going to try to make this as quick as I can, but I am extremely honored and excited to be here tonight. I hope to take about 20 minutes of your time to help lay out what I think is some unique and useful things for your career. And these are in the Maury University catalog. You will not find these anywhere else. You don't have to study these. With that, I'd like to get a show of hands on a few groups. So for all the undergraduates who are here tonight, can you raise your hand? Oh, boy, how many is that? Maybe half of you are undergraduates, I think. Great. I hope to see you here next year. You need to be here. Now, I'd like to see the hands of people who are graduates So let's get started. Remember you old guys? The first day you went to work, you had this beautiful smile on your face. Everything was wonderful. It was great, right? And then reality came along. Work got going heavy. Budgets got asked for. Things got cut. And then you kind of felt different. Notice this is a G-rated presentation. Okay, so on the, I guess on your left, I call that Happy Sam. Happy Sam is what we like to have everybody see most of the time in your career. I call the other side Unhappy Sam. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But to give you a little bit of background of who I am, I thought you're engineers, so I need to give you a graph. And this is Maury's graph. This could be yours in the future, but it's right now it's mine. And when I started in your pool, I had everything planned. I was going to go through university. I was going to get a job. Everything was well known. I had expectations. This is going to keep going, and it's going to be pretty well controlled, right? The people I work for, they know what they want. It's going to be easy. Well, reality was a little different. If I had to really show it, this is what my career was like. There was ups and downs. The impact on places was hard to see. Sometimes emotionally, I thought I went backwards in time. How do you go backwards? Well, you just feel like you did. But the point being is, nobody can tell you where your path is going to be. You are the one who controls it. So let me give a little more idea of who I am, if I get this to work. So I'm going to show you pictures, and I'm going to use myself primarily, but you start thinking about your picture in these presentations, okay? But for me, I grew up in Northwest Iowa, and yes, that's me on a hog when I had some hair. Our entertainment was a lot limited on the farm back then. So, but we did dairy, we did choreography, we did all kinds of stuff. I went to Iowa State, go Clones. That's where I started my relationship with ASAE, but we didn't have the B back then. And then I went off and got my dream job at John Deere. I knew I wanted to work at John Deere from the age I was 8. I knew it. That was the place. Then the farm economy kind of tanked. Life gets a little squeamish. And I ended up at Bell Helicopter. Yes, an ag engineer can work for an aerospace company. You can work anywhere you want to. At that point in time, I thought I wanted to be a drive system specialist. And I was. I did a lot of cool things. I did it on the B-22 Oscar. Really a cool thing. Yes, ag. So I got talked into coming back and I went to a red place. I can tell you more. But then I got my master's degree, and then I ended up back at John Deere. Wow, how did that happen? I went back to my home. And then somebody came along and said, Maury, come to a different place. I won't go through all the reasons why I went to different places. If you want to hear the rest of the story, you have to come later. But now I'm out of the timeline of the industry, and I'm kind of consulting. I call it pro bono. I do what I want to do when I want to do it. And I do it for no money because then I don't have to worry about the liability and all those other issues. But I enjoy it, and I appreciate having the chance to tell you a little bit more. I would like to frame tonight into two fundamental areas. What are the key career drivers for you? And then what should be maybe some priorities? You should think of career drivers as that thing that lays your path. It's what's the direction you kind of want to go. And we'll talk more about it. The priorities, think of them as the bumpers, the guidelines, things that keep you on that road. As we get into it, it'll make more sense. So let's talk about the key drivers. You hear this a lot, but here's the four I think that are critical for your mindset. Number one, passion. It is absolutely, in my mind, number one thing you must have. The good news with you in this room, you've already set a certain standard in the biological and ag domain. So you have something already in your soul. But I will tell you, passion is what you absolutely need when you're in the unhappy sand phase. The unhappy sand phase, you need that passion to carry you through. Okay? The next one, knowledge. Okay, passion. Knowledge, you've been developing it. And as undergraduates, you're getting more. Graduates, you've got it. I would tell you, you have just started. If you think you've learned much, you have. But you're going to learn a ton more in the next few years. I can't even imagine what I felt like I was a baby after a couple years at John Deere. I mean, the amount of information and expectations goes up significantly. Experience. That is a key function. We all know we want to get experience, but what does that mean? I would tell you what employers and other organizations are looking for is how do you work in a team? That is experience. How your team worked in the quarter scale competition here is real life. You will have teams like this. How well and how often and how far you go will depend on how well you work with those teams. And the last thing, which some people believe is random, I would tell you is absolutely not random, is opportunity. I would tell you, you have control of your opportunities. You have full control of what it is, and if you want something, you can achieve it by going for it. When I wanted to work for John Deere, they knew I wanted to work for John Deere. They knew I wanted to do whatever it took to work at that place. If you take that kind of spirit into interviews, if you take that spirit and research what it takes to get that next thing, you will be recognized for that hurt before that opportunity is given to you, and it becomes an automatic. So these are what I consider the four drivers of careers. Now, that's easy. But how do you stay on the road? And I would tell you, I have lived by these four priorities. And it's Maury's priorities. You can use them if you wish, but they have served me well. The priorities of people. That's when it comes down to the tough times and you're really struggling with what do you do, search yourself for which person do you need to impact. The first person you need to impact and take care of is yourself. It sounds silly. That seems obvious. But we can sometimes get carried away and get into excessive things. We can drink too much. We can have some mental things. We can do. If you are not taking care of yourself, you cannot help someone else. You cannot be a team player. You must take care of yourself. This picture has my wife. Oh, by the way, for me, that's just like me. If I didn't have her, I wouldn't be here. So, whoever your partner is, however you think, they're the most critical element in the equation. But right behind them is your family. I don't know if you, but I have family that has been with me all the time. They will never understand your language. You can try to explain your projects to them, they won't get it. They will look at you and go, what language are you speaking? But they will be there when times are difficult. You should always keep them as priority. I have some very close friends and who have been mentors. When you have a mentor, you should keep it. I would recommend heavily, keep your mentors around. When tough times come, use your mentor to help sort through those issues. You want somebody who is pretty objective, and you want somebody who can tell you the way it is. Sometimes you just need to hear it from somebody else that isn't effective. They don't care. They want to help you. Colleagues, owners, this picture happens to be Katrina Kloss and Herman Garbers, who were head of Kloss for years. Oh, by the way, I got Christoph here. So, friends of mine. And then your supply chain, suppliers. Everything we do from an engineering point of view is to help people. And the people who help you get there are the most important parts. And here we go, I would say. We're there. You also need your social network, your technical network, those people around you, because I would tell you my network kept me in touch with things. They connect with me on my next professional journey. I would advocate in this particular case with people that you do that through ASABE or whatever social community that you really need, but stay connected. So that's the people priority, number one part of the equation. After that, you want to move into process. And we usually think of engineering process and design techniques. I would tell you the number one thing you need to understand is you have to communicate. Communication, you need to talk slow, you need to talk clearly, you have to listen, and you have to get away from vagueness. I hate people who talk vaguely. It's terrible. And you have to know that our language is used around the world, but we all don't have the same meanings with English language. So just because we speak the same language, it could be different. How you manage communication will be how people will respect you. I have had friends in Germany who told me, oh, we like listening to you, Maury, because we understand you. Understanding, once you get understanding, you can build trust. Next, this is going to sound funny, but that team you build has to be helping somebody who probably is above it. Here I call it the boss. It could be a team leader. You need to help them achieve their goals. If you help them achieve their goals, you're going to be recognized as somebody who's moving. And oh, by the way, if you're helping them so much, guess who they think about at the next promotion? You. So please think about that in terms of process. And the last thing kind of goes together, planning. I think you guys would understand the people who didn't plan your project this year and you ended up at a 12-hour, there probably was more opportunity. If you can plan early, and plan to fail as fast as you can. It'd be nice that you don't fail on the track, right? You'd like to fail it 3 months or 4 months earlier so you can fix it. That's the same in industry. We need, and you're not pushing the envelope unless you're failing or breaking something. Whether that be the software or electronics, no matter what, you should plan on failing and build that into your plan. So that's part of the process. And now it's product. And the simple answer is don't worry about it. That isn't going to fly with a lot of you say, well, geez, that's the main thing. But the real answer is if you've got the right people and you've got a process that's under control and really working, you're going to get the right product. And whether you decide to be it. And then profit. Here, do I have any controllers in the room? You're not a controller. They would not agree with me on this. They would say that you need to focus on profit. You can't get the profit by just looking at that and saying, I need that number. You need the people, the process, and the product to get you there. Don't worry about profit. If you've got the right people, process, and products, it comes. So here you are. This is my summary. The drivers are passion, knowledge, experience, and opportunities. If you keep those in mind, that's how you can formulate your path. And if you keep these priorities of people first, process second, product, and profitability, it will help you. I have used this emotionally with a lot of my teams, and I tell them, if somebody on your team is not, I'm going now back to people, if someone on your team is struggling, even with something personal, it is pulling your team down. Find a way to help them. Take something burden off them. Give them an opportunity to change. Help them with the process. Find methodologies within. So that's what I have to offer you tonight. I hope you take a piece of it with you. I wish you the very best with everything. And hopefully, you have a lot of happy, sad days, and you don't have so many unhappy, sad days. So with that, I thank you. I want to really stop here at the moment and speak as one of the ASABE leadership members and thank the Quarter Scale Committee. You guys do a fantastic job. I can't tell you, 27 years, your impact on, we have about 300 in the mix here, how many students you have impacted and really helped and accelerated is fantastic. It's unbelievable. One of the best competitions I've ever seen. Please spread the word to all your friends. If they want to really move ahead in their careers, get on the Quarter Scale team somehow. Try to. Next, I'd like to thank you students. And that you are the future change agents for us. My generation did a lot of good stuff. Some stuff we have lots of opportunity. We didn't take care of all the air issues as maybe we should. Water, we certainly need to get better at managing water and water quality. We need a lot more food in the world. There's just a lot of active, and oh, by the way, your tools for design and development are the best ever. So I'm really counting on you to fix a lot of things in the future. So with that, again, thank you for being part of the Quarter Scale competition. And with that, I wish you a very good evening and a safe travel home. So with that, good night.
Thank you, Maury. We certainly appreciate your willingness to be with us this evening. And now I'd like to invite you to the stage to assist in making presentations. Hang on, my script, I'm wondering what I'm saying here. All right, we'll skip that line. All right, we're going to move into sponsors. Before I want to do that, I want to take note of something that Maury said. He mentioned fail fast, which is something I really appreciate working in the innovation group at Premier. We promote the fail fast concept. And when I saw that this week, I saw UT Martin went out in durability, and they failed their belt in durability like immediately. I don't know if they made a lap or not, but right after that they went out and they said this belt did not work. Threw it away, swapped the whole tractor over to chain drive, cost today. That's the fail fast mentality right there. Those guys. The other thing I'll mention here before we get into sponsors is we've got this live stream going on today. You've seen it throughout the week. I know a lot of you guys were watching it while we were running durability. A big thank you to Nick Sandine over there. He and David King and Dean Woodwell put together a heck of an impressive system to run that live stream. So big thank you to them. And one other note is Nick over there. I work with him at Vermeer. He's a great guy. Nick is single. He's forklift certified. Significant support, the competition would not be possible. We would like to thank them for their commitment to the competition and for creating valuable educational opportunities for our student engineers and technologists in the audience. We will start with our titanium sponsors who have made contributions valued at $20,000 or more. Please hold your applause until all of our titanium sponsors have been recognized. CNH. CNH has been a strong financial supporter of the competition for many years and have also supplied judges and volunteers. Sam Bladen will accept the plaque on behalf of CNH. Deere & Company. Deere & Company has been a supporter of the competition since the beginning with financial contributions and providing judges. John Andrew will accept the plaque for Deere & Company. Kubota. Kubota has been a financial contributor provider of equipment, judges, and technical inspectors for this year's competition. Travis Sinamore will accept Kubota's plaque. Let's have a big round of applause for our titanium sponsors. Platinum sponsors provide cash or in-kind support valued at $10,000 to $19,999. Danfoss. Danfoss has provided technical support and judges as well as financial support to the competition. Wyatt Hall will accept the plaque on behalf of Danfoss. Titan International. Titan International continues to supply sets of tires for each team. Justin Wilwarding will accept the plaque on behalf of Titan International. AGCO Corporation, Jackson, Minnesota. AGCO's Jackson, Minnesota facility provided financial support, judges for team presentations, and support personnel. Briggs & Stratton. From the inception of the quarter scale competition, Briggs & Stratton has generously supplied Vanguard engines to each team entered in the competition. The competition's relationship with Briggs & Stratton has come to an end with this year's event. I think it goes without saying that this competition would not have happened for the last 27 years without Briggs & Stratton. The hundreds of engines that they donated to you guys can never be repaid. A heartfelt thanks to them for their sustained commitment to the development of tomorrow's engineers. SolidWorks. SolidWorks has offered to provide each team member with a copy of their 3D design software to aid teams with the design of their tractors. And last but not least, we would like to thank ASABE. Without the Society's strong support and dedicated work of the headquarters staff, this event would not be possible. Let us please give a round of applause to the Platinum sponsors and ASABE for their support. And now on to our gold sponsors. Jacob Schwint will accept their plaque. Agco Corporation, Heston, GSI, Kawasaki, Linac, MacDunn, and Thompson Linear. Let's have a round of applause for our silver sponsors. Now our bronze level sponsors who have provided between $1,500 and $3,499 of support. Medeiros Machine and Manufacturing, Josh Medeiros will accept their plaque. Hydro Beer, David Shear will accept their plaque. Miller Electric, Ibis, Condex, and Precision Planting. Let's have a round of applause for our bronze sponsors. Finally, we'd like to thank our site sponsors whose contributions value up to $1,499. AC McCarthy Farm Equipment, Blue Near Implement, Caterpillar, Dewey Soft, Electrics Inc., Harvest Master, Martin Tractor, S.J. Smith Company, Star Equipment, and finally, Walls Scale. Let's give a round of applause for all our competition sponsors. Each of our sponsors is tremendously important to the continued success of this event. Thanks again to every organization who helped make the 2024 competition possible. And now on to the awards. I wanted to comment on something that Michael said earlier about being excited about the future of engineers. You know, we get to see what you guys are doing each year, and I too am excited about what the next 10 years in my career working with you guys looks like. I'm excited to work with engineers from Nebraska and their innovative shielding. I'm excited to work with engineers from McGill and their steering system. and the many other unique innovations that we saw this week. All right. Team certificates. As I call your school name, will a representative from your team please come to the stage to receive your team certificates of participation. Please hold your applause until the end. California Polytechnic University, Iowa State University, Kansas State University. You can come around this side over here. North Carolina State University. North Dakota State University. Oklahoma State University. Pennsylvania State University. Purdue University. South Dakota State University. University of Guelph. University of Georgia. University of Illinois. University of Kentucky. McGill University. University of Manitoba. by the chair and the co-chair of the committee. I would like to invite Robert Marker to the podium to tell us about this year's recipient.
I appreciate everybody. I wasn't really prepared for this, but so when I was asked by Tina who I would kind of promote for this reward, it was pretty easy for me to do that. He helped me all the way up through from Vice Chair 2, which is the first year. You basically joined this committee and the board all the way up through where I am today. So with that being said, like I said, he never let me fail. Any questions, calls, he answered them right off the bat. And I think most of the schools definitely know him. All the committee knows him. He's been a huge impact. That being said, I'd like to nominate Jared Sigler and Chief Head.
Well, it tells me to move on to the team awards, but you guys have seen those already, so should we just skip it? All right. When Robert's done over there, he can return to the stage to assist with the award presentation. We'll begin tonight with the X-Team Awards. The X-Team competition allows underclassmen a chance to get acquainted with the process without the stress of going through a full development program. This year, 7 teams modified their school's 2023 tractor in order to compete against one another in a written design report, oral presentation, and tractor build. Here are the category winners of the X-Team competition. X-Team Written Design Report, South Dakota State University. X-Team Oral Presentation, University of Missouri. Sorry, I misread that. University of Nebraska for the oral presentation. I Steve Harvey that's my bad. If it makes you feel better, Missouri, the winner of the X-Team poll is University of Missouri. My apologies. And our X-Team overall winners. X-Team third place, Pennsylvania State University. X-Team second place, South Dakota State University. And the winner of the X-Team competition, University of Nebraska. Congratulations to the top X teams. We look forward to seeing you at next year's competition in the A-Team class. Now on to the A-Team competition awards. The next 4 awards are competition specialty awards that have no point value, but represent qualities and values that form the heart of this competition. The Best Appearance Award is determined by teams, judges, and competition committee members for the tractor that has the most impressive aesthetic and design appeal. This year's winner is University of Wisconsin-Madison. The Jim and Darcy Schmidt Family Teamwork Award recognizes a team that displayed an extraordinary level of organization, with each team member actively participating and contributing their unique talents Craftsmanship Award is presented to the team whose tractor displayed the highest level of production quality as determined by the design judges. The winner is University of Wisconsin-Madison. The Manufacturability Award is given to the team that has demonstrated the highest ease of manufacturing. The award is determined by the manufacturing design judges who assess each tractor for the cost, ease, and efficiency of manufacturing and assembly that the design utilizes. The winner will receive a $200 check. The winner for this year's Manufacturability Award is South Dakota State University. The Serviceability Award is given to the school that demonstrates the most comprehensive design for maintenance of the tractor. The winner will receive a $200 check, and the winner is Purdue University. The Test and Development Award goes to the team that has utilized the most comprehensive testing and development program in the production of their tractor. The winner will receive a $200 check. This year's winner is Purdue University. Our next two awards specifically demonstrate the concern for customers and operators. The Safety Award recognizes the design which demonstrates superior concern for user safety. The winners will receive a $200 check. This year's Safety Award goes to University of Kentucky. The second award pertaining to customer comfort is the Ergonomics Award. The award is given to the tractor that demonstrates the most attention to operator comfort, control positioning, and operating canopy to improve operator efficiency and reduce operator fatigue. The winner will receive a $200 check, and the winner is South Dakota State University. Defense of Design is presented to the team that has demonstrated the greatest ability to justify and defend the design decisions they have made throughout the development process. The winner will receive a $200 check. This year there is a three-way tie. There's a term for that, I don't know, I can't remember what it is. The winners are Iowa State University, University of Kentucky, and South Dakota State University. The team presentation winners have been the most effective in promoting their design and have demonstrated the most professional project development program. The team presentation takes into account the entire process of the design, from the planning stages through the design details and test program. Team presentation, third place. McGill University. Team presentation, second place, Kansas State University. And the 2024 team presentation winner is North Carolina State University. professional development program with special emphasis on technical merit. The written design report judging takes into consideration areas such as design analysis, cost effectiveness, and testing and planning. Written design report, third place, University of Saskatchewan. Written design report, second place, Kansas State University. And the 2024 written design report winner is Iowa State University. And now to the performance awards. The following awards are for the winners of the individual hooks in the tractor pulls. First hook tractor pull winner, University of Kentucky. Second hook tractor pull winner, University of Kentucky. Third hook tractor pull winner, University of Kentucky. The Maneuverability Award. It's one thing to design a powerful, sleek vehicle, but quite another to make that finely engineered machine nimble, and easy to handle. This year's Maneuverability Award goes to North Dakota State University. The durability event was instituted to encourage teams to focus on machine reliability and tractor performance in off-road environments. The winner of this year's Durability Award by a long shot, University of Missouri. The following are the overall point winners for the tractor performance competition, which comprises maneuverability, durability, and the tractor pulls. These teams have demonstrated the quality of their designs through their consistent and exceptional performance. Tractor performance, third place, University of Kentucky. Tractor performance, second place, University of Wisconsin-Madison. The 2024 Tractor Performance winner, University of Missouri. Our next award is the Most Improved Award, given to the team that has made the most significant improvement over their previous year's performance. And the winner is University of Illinois. The following teams are the overall points champions. These teams have demonstrated outstanding performance across all areas of competition. The balanced approach of their development programs has resulted in designs that are not only technically superior, but are also proven performers as well. I am confident that through the extraordinary efforts of the students, their advisors, and supporters, this group of young professionals have taken good designs and transformed them into champions. Here are your top 5 finishers. Overall competition, 5th place, The fifth place winner receives a plaque and $500 in prize money, and the winner is University of Missouri. Overall competition, fourth place. Fourth place winner receives a plaque and $700 in prize money, and the winner is Purdue University. Overall competition, third place. The third place winner receives a plaque and $900 in prize money, and the winner is South Dakota State University. Overall competition, second place. The second place winner receives a plaque and $1,200 in prize money, and the winner is Kansas State University. Overall competition champion. Our 2024 competition winner will return home with the Wayner Detra Traveling Trophy, a plaque, and a check for $1,500. Your 2024 International Quarter Scale Student Design Competition champions are North Carolina State University. That's something to cheer for. Congratulations to this year's winners and to all of you who participated in the competition. Remember that the greatest reward of all is the experience you have gained throughout this process. You will enjoy a return on your investment for years to come. I wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors, in next year's competition, and in your careers. I think, let's see, I was supposed to, we don't have a presentation, I was supposed to plug AETC, right, Wyatt? I don't know what the dates are, can you tell me? February 9th through 12th in Louisville, Kentucky. AETC, it's a technical conference. Students have the ability to get sponsored, to get registered, to go. It's a great opportunity to network, listen to speakers from industry, and then it leads up to the National Farm Machinery Show. So I don't know if you guys are into tractor pulling at all, but there's a big tractor pull out there. You can go out and check that out as well. So AETC, great opportunity to learn and get to know other people involved in your industry. Let's see, one last bit of housekeeping. The preliminary scores will be available at the QR code on the screen within the next hour. We can put that up. We'll get that up on the screen. Your poll data and design report judging comments will be shared back to you via the Google Drive to the email submitted the reports. Remember that there will be a wrap session. Team pictures will be on the Google Drive. Thanks, guys. Remember that there will be a wrap session tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. in the Grand View Room. Please plan to attend it. We want your feedback on the competition, and it's an opportunity to ask questions. Good night, and we hope to see you next year. Thank you.